Top hospitals in India preferred by the Tanzanian patients are Apollo Group of Hospitals, Fortis Group of Hospitals, Max Group of Hospitals, Medanta, the Medicity Hospital, Shalby Group of Hospitals, and many other Joint Commission International and NABH accredited Indian hospitals for hassle-free medical treatment of Tanzanian patients. Get cost estimation and visa assistance letter from your chosen Indian hospital. WhatsApp us at +91 95820 56061. Fortis Group of Hospitals. Fortis Memorial Research Institute Gurugram is the flagship hospital of Fortis Hospitals. It is JCI, NABH and NABL accredited, 350 plus hospital beds and 105 ICU beds, 15 plus modular operation theatres and 55 plus best specialty treatments available for Tanzanian patients, 22 bedded dedicated BMT ICU for sickle cell anemia treatment and leukemia. Located in the National Capital Region Gurugram and well connected from the IGI Airport, New Delhi. Tanzania patients prefer Fortis Hospital for cancer treatments, bone marrow transplant, brain and spine neurosurgeries, hip joint and knee joint replacement surgeries. For best medical tourism assistance in India, you can count on CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian in India. Tanzania patients prefer Max Group of Hospital. Max, Saket and BLK Max Hospital are JCI, NABH and NABL accredited Indian hospitals. 530 plus hospital beds and 125 ICU beds, 12 plus modular operation theatres, 38 plus best specialty treatments, one of the best BMT program in BLK Max Super Specialty Hospital in New Delhi. Well connected from the IGI Airport, New Delhi. Tanzania patients prefer Max Healthcare Hospitals. For cardiac procedures and heart surgeries, bone marrow transplant at BLK Max Super Specialty Hospital, kidney and liver transplants, hip joint and knee joint replacement surgeries. For best medical tourism assistance, you can rely on CMCS Health, your medical and global healthcare guardian. Tanzania patients prefer Apollo Group of Hospitals. Indraprasth Apollo is JCI, NABH and NABL accredited Indian hospitals in New Delhi. 700 plus hospital beds and 172 ICU beds. 20 plus modular operation theatres, 52 plus best specialty treatments. Located in New Delhi and well connected from the IGI Airport, New Delhi, India. Tanzania patients prefer Apollo Hospital. For cancer treatments, cardiac procedures and heart surgeries, brain and spine neurosurgeries, kidney and liver transplants. For best medical tourism assistance in India, you can contact CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian from India. Tanzania patients prefer Medanta, the Medicity Hospital in Gurugram, India. It is JCI, NABH and NABL accredited Indian hospital with 1300 plus hospital beds and 272 ICU beds, 40 plus modular operation theatres, 30 plus best specialty treatments for Tanzanian patients, one of the best liver transplant program in India and Asia probably. Located in the National Capital Region Gurugram, well connected from the IGI Airport, New Delhi. Tanzania patients prefer Medanta, the Medicity Hospital. for cardiac procedures and heart surgeries, comprehensive cancer treatments, kidney and liver transplant programs, and hip and knee joint replacement surgeries. For best medical tourism assistance in India, contact CMCS Health. Tanzania patients prefer Artemis Hospital. Artemis Hospital is JCI, NABH and NABL accredited Indian hospital, 400 plus hospital beds, 45 plus best specialty treatments, best specialist doctors in India. CyberKnife treatment is available for brain tumors. Located in Gurugram, the national capital region of India, which is well connected from the IGI International Airport. Tanzania patients prefer Artemis Hospital for hip joint and knee joint replacement surgery, for spine and neurosurgery including CyberKnife treatment, kidney and liver transplants, and cancer treatments. The best medical tourism assistance for getting your specialized medical treatment in Artemis Hospital. You can contact CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian. Shalby Group of Hospitals is also one of the preferred hospital chain by the Tanzanian patients. Shalby hospitals are JCI, NABH and NABL accredited Indian hospitals. They are multi-city hospitals with 45 plus best specialty treatment for Tanzanian patients. Shalby Orthopedic Center is well acknowledged and well established among the Tanzanian patient for knee and hip joint replacement surgery. Their flagship hospital is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat city of India. Tanzanian patients prefer Shalby Hospital for hip joint and knee joint replacement surgeries, spine and neurosurgeries, kidney and liver transplants, cardiac procedures and heart surgeries. Get the best medical tourism assistance for getting medical treatment in Shalby hospitals. CMCS Health is your global healthcare guardian. What medical treatments Tanzania patients prefer in India? Tanzania patients prefer kidney and liver transplant in India, comprehensive cancer treatments, bone marrow transplant for sickle cell anemia and leukemia, orthopedic and joint replacement surgeries, cardiac intervention and the heart surgeries, and spine and brain neurosurgeries, and many other specialized medical treatments in India. CMCS Health offers the best medical travel assistance for Tanzanian patients. To know more, WhatsApp us at +91 95820 56061 or visit our website cmcshealth.com. Why do Tanzanian patients prefer Indian hospitals? Tanzanian patients prefer Indian hospitals for best specialist doctors, latest cutting-edge technologies, state-of-the-art infrastructure of the Indian hospitals, high success rates, low medical treatment and logistic cost. CMCS Health offers the best medical tourism assistance for Tanzanian patients.